What if I tell you there is a web-based IDE available where you can create your mobile apps, web apps, backend and the AI ML prompts as well? So yeah, there is one which is Project IDX. So that is what we are going to talk about in this video. So hi guys, my name is Pranjul and I'm back with another video of our channel. So let's start. What is Project IDX? So Project IDX is a new tool developed by the Google, a web-based IDE where you can create your apps, or you can say mobile apps or the web apps in your web browser. So you no need to set up locally anything. You just need a web browser and a good internet connection and you are good to go. But there is something similar we already have, which is vscode.dev, right? So it's a kind of a replicate, or you can say it's a web version of the VS Code we have. But we can say that there are some limitation to the VS Code we have of the web version, or you can say that Project IDX have more feature to it over the web version of VS Code. So let's talk about the awesome feature we have in the Project IDX. The first one, it is cloud based. So everything you will be finding totally on the cloud, which means no need to install or set up anything in your local system. You can say you just need a web browser and a good internet connection. Another thing we can say collaboration, means you can collaborate with your team, or you can say multiple developers can work on the same project simultaneously. Project IDX have integrated tools as well, like no need to set up your Java binaries, or you can say Python binaries in your local system. So there one more exciting feature it has, which is AI assistant, means AI driven code you will be finding there, like the suggestions and the completion of the code, which will speed up our workflow and reduces the errors as well. So Project IDX also have the version controlling system as well, which is supports Git for the easy version control and the collaboration. That's not it. We also have another feature as well, which is extensions. So you can customize your development environment according to you with the help of multiple plugins. So you might be thinking how Project IDX is different from the another IDEs we have, like the VS Code and the Android Studio, or you can say the Intellij IDE. So first of all, so there is no doubt VS Code has a flexible, or you can say huge community backed by the developers, right? VS Code have a flexible, or you can say a good community support as well. And the other hand, Intellij Idea is good for the Android development, or you can say for the Java development. I can say that it's great for the cloud-based thing because we already have the Firebase and the Google cloud platform we can use directly with the help of Project IDX. And you can see there is also a good thing, which is a collaboration thing, so you can directly work with your team simultaneously in the project. But yeah, still it's new compared to the other we have, like the VS Code and the Idea we have. In short, we can say that VS Code is flexible and Intellij Idea is good for the Android and the Java development, and Project IDX is an exciting tool for the cloud coding. So guys, thanks for watching this video. If you found this video useful, please like, share and subscribe my channel and hit that bell icon for the exciting tech videos. Until then, bye.